Hello everyone, this is Richard language. Today we are going to talk about Chinese grammar, not only but also. 不但而且不但而且 which means not only but also. Okay, let's talk about the sentence pattern first. Every time when you use this sentence pattern, often we use a subject first, then we follow with 不但 and then 而且 again, which means not only but also. And let's learn this sentence pattern by example sentences. Okay, let's talk about the first sentence. 小红不但会唱歌，而且还会跳舞。小红不但会唱歌，而且还会跳舞。Okay, let me explain this sentence. 小红 is a lady's name. 不但 not only, 不但会 means can or be able to. 会唱歌 sing songs. 唱 means sing. 唱歌 means song. 唱歌 sing a song. Sing songs. 而且 but also 而且还会跳舞。还会 还 means like still. 会 can or be able to. 还会 still can. 跳舞 which means dance. 跳舞。小红不但会唱歌，而且还会跳舞。小红不但会唱歌，而且还会跳舞。Okay, let's talk about the second example sentence. 他的房子不但大，而且还有游泳池。他的房子不但大，而且还有游泳池。Okay, let me explain this sentence. 他的 means his. 他的房子 means house or home. 房子房子不但 not only 不但大 which means big 大而且 but also 而且还有还 means still 有 means like have or has or with 有游泳池 swimming pool 游泳池游泳池他的房子不但大，而且还有游泳池。他的房子不但大，而且还有游泳池。Okay, let's see the next example sentence. 中国人不但工作认真，而且心地善良。中国人不但工作认真，而且心地善良。Okay, let me explain the sentence. 中国人 Chinese people. 中国人不但 not only 不但 工作认真。工作 means job. 认真 means like hardworking or earnest. So we combine the two terms together. Actually, it just means hardworking. 工作认真 hardworking. 工作认真。而且 but also 心地善良 kind-hearted. 心地善良。心地善良。中国人不但工作认真，而且心地善良。中国人不但工作认真，而且心地善良。Okay, right now it's time for you to do some more practice. So let's complete the sentences. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, number 1, Richard, 高，帅。Richard, 高，帅。高 which means tall, 高。帅 which means handsome, 帅。帅 And please you use the sentence pattern 不但而且 in this sentence and practice it by yourself. I'll give you 10 seconds to complete this sentence. Okay, very good. Let me tell you the answer. Richard 不但高，而且帅 which means Richard is not only tall, but also handsome. Richard 不但高，而且帅。Richard 不但高，而且帅。Okay, let's see the next practice. 我的朋友漂亮，有钱。漂亮 which means pretty or beautiful. 漂亮。有钱 means rich. 有钱，有钱。Okay, so please you use the sentence pattern 不但而且 in this example sentence, please. I'll give you 10 seconds to do it. Okay, very good. 我的朋友不但漂亮，而且有钱。Which means my friend is not only pretty, but also rich. 我的朋友不但漂亮，而且有钱。我的朋友不但漂亮，而且有钱。Okay, my friends, that's all for today. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe. See you next time. 再见。